In this video, we will learn about the standard output stream and the insertion operator. Cout is the standard output stream and is a part of the IO stream header file in the standard library. To output to the console, we use the insertion operator along with cout. For example, we can use cout, which we need to prefix with std:::. Next comes the insertion operator, which is two opening angular brackets. Then, on the right hand side goes the string we want to output to the console, for example, ABC. Running the code will display the string ABC in the C++ console. Another thing to note is that we can chain multiple insertion operators when outputting information to the standard output stream. Building on the code that we currently have, we can add another insertion operator, and then the string 123. Now, when we run the code, notice that ABC123 is printed to the console. We can use the new line character \n in order to separate this output onto two lines. Let's add another insertion operator and then the new line character so that it is sandwiched between the other two strings. When we run the code, notice that ABC is on the first line and 123 is on the second line.